just received my meat order from Two Creeks Beef. I got all of this for $99. Now look at these. These are, look how huge these are. There's two, they're called Cattleman's Cutlet. Look how thick they are. They're so thick. They're about 3 centimetres thick. They're huge. And they themselves weigh, what, 3 kilos. And I can't wait to try their sausages. I haven't had sausages forever. So, how much do they weigh? They weigh 2.5 kilos. And this is mince. Oh my God, how many kilos? About 2.5 kilos of mince. How much would that cost in the supermarket? 16's $32 that would cost. And these are my ribs. I can't wait to do something with those. Now they're about 3 kilos as well. And they're just called beef ribs. They look yummo to me. And I got this, I don't know what this is. And this is chuck steak. Chuck steak, yeah. I don't know what you do with that. So that's about 2.5 kilos as well. So I just have to cut all this up now. Chuck steak, I think you can make stews and stuff with that, can't you? But these, oh my God, imagine how much they would be. Cattleman's Cutlet. Fuck me dead, look at them. You probably can't really get a gist of how big they are. That's my hand, whole hand. 2 whole hands. And that's thick, look at them. Oh my God, I'm going to have to be hungry that night. Anyway, I thought I'd show you what I got for $99. That's farmer to fridge. It takes about 3 weeks to deliver, but looks like it's well worth it. Love you.